We tested over 30 portable washer and dryer combos. Most waste your money. But one on this list is almost unfairly good for the price. We ranked these 5 on real wash quality, spin efficiency, and load capacity. Because specs lie, but soaking wet laundry doesn't. Noise and long-term reliability mattered too. All product links are in the description. We run these comparisons regularly. If that's useful, a subscribe helps. The number 1 pick genuinely earns its spot. Stay for that. Coming in at number 5, the Pataku Twin Tub Combo at $99.99. It handles 4 to 10 pounds per cycle, so a week's laundry means 2 or 3 separate batches. For one person in a dorm or RV, that's manageable. The real catch: the plastic drain hose runs short, and the water nozzle won't fit standard faucets without a workaround. Plan for that before it arrives. At under $120, though, it earns its price as a genuine laundry starter. Step up to number 4, where capacity and convenience make a real jump. Number 4, the Rove 17.8-pound full automatic at $229.99. That jump in price buys you something real: a stainless steel drum and a built-in drain pump, so you're not manually bailing water after every cycle. Full automatic means you set it and walk away. At 17.8 pounds capacity, it handles a few days of clothes for 1 or 2 people comfortably. Owners back that up. 4.4 stars across 737 reviews, with durability holding up past the 3-month mark consistently. The honest trade-off: capacity is still modest for a larger household, but for apartment or dorm living, it genuinely earns that price. The next one pushes capacity further and adds features you might not expect at this tier. Stepping into the top 3, the Rove 25-pound full automatic at $299.99. That capacity jump is real. 25 pounds means you're washing a week's worth of clothes in one go, not splitting loads. The stainless steel drum handles heavier fabrics without the wear you'd get from plastic. Full automatic means you set it, walk away, and come back to clean laundry. No babysitting the cycle. With 737 owners rating it at 4.6 stars, the satisfaction track record here is hard to argue with. The honest catch: the price step up is noticeable. But for a full automatic with this drum size, it earns every dollar. Ideal for renters who need real laundry capacity without permanent hookups. Next up, our number 2, and it does something this one doesn't. Coming in at number 2, the OurTech Twin Tub Portable Washer at $179.99. This is the biggest capacity machine on our list. 28 pounds total, split between an 18-pound wash tub and a 10-pound spinner. That means full loads, not compromise loads. Over 4,000 owners have rated it 4.4 stars, and that volume of feedback is what makes the rating meaningful. The twin tub design gives you real control. Wash one batch while the spinner runs another. The honest trade-off: load management takes practice because this machine is sensitive to cloth weight, and if you ever need to return it, shipping costs can eat you alive. But for apartment or RV, living where you need genuine capacity, that combination of size and proven owner trust earns its price. If you want hands-off simplicity instead, our number 1 delivers exactly that. Our top pick is the Black+Decker Portable Washer at $329.99. And after looking at everything on this list, it earns that spot clearly. Over 9,200 owners have rated it 4.2 stars. That is the largest real-world sample here, and real owners are harder to impress than spec sheets. The 1.7 cubic foot stainless steel tub handles a solid load, and 8 wash cycles mean you are not stuck choosing between delicate and done. The transparent lid and LED display make the whole process feel controlled, not guesswork. One honest catch: it runs cold water only, and the initial setup needs a compatible faucet adapter, so check your sink before you order. For renters, RV owners, or anyone done hauling laundry bags, that price buys genuine daily convenience backed by thousands of people who already made this call. So here's how it breaks down. Twin tub machines like the OurTech give you hands-on control and solid capacity, but you manage the process. The full automatics handle everything themselves. Budget is tight? The Pataku gets the job done. Need family load capacity? Step up. Footprint matters in a small space. Check dimensions before you buy. Dorm life, one person, occasional loads, entry tier. Regular daily laundry for 2 or more, mid-tier or above. Bottom line, the Black+Decker is the pick most buyers can trust right now. Apartment, RV, dorm, there's a fit for each situation in this lineup. Links are in the description. Which setup are you buying for? Drop it below. Links and affiliate info are pinned below. Next, watch our compact appliance picks for small spaces.